Welcome back, everyone. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your fellow freelancers, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: 7 proven strategies for freelancers to land more clients consistently. In the face of today's competitive freelance market, these strategies are more important than ever. They could be the difference between just scraping by and truly thriving in your freelance career. Stay tuned as we delve into these valuable strategies. Our first strategy is all about building a strong online presence. In today's digital age, a well-crafted online presence is more than just a nicety. It's a necessity. It's your virtual handshake, your digital business card, and quite often the first point of contact between you and potential clients. Imagine you're a client looking for a freelancer. Would you rather hire someone with a professional website, active social media profiles, and a stunning portfolio, or someone who's virtually invisible online? The answer is clear. Your professional website acts as your online headquarters, a place where clients can learn more about you and your services. It's not just about having a website, but having a website that reflects your professionalism and expertise. Next, your social media profiles. These are your channels for engagement, platforms where you can share your thoughts, ideas, and work and interact with potential clients. And then there's your portfolio. This is your online showcase, a digital display of your best work. It's a testament to your skills and abilities, a proof of what you can do. These 3 elements combined can significantly increase your visibility and credibility. They can make you stand out in the crowded freelance market and attract more clients. Remember, your online presence is often your first impression, so make it count. Moving on to our second strategy, networking. Networking, as simple as it sounds, holds the potential to be a game changer for freelancers. It's all about connecting and engaging with like-minded professionals within your field. Not only does it offer you a chance to learn and grow, but it can also lead to new client referrals. That's right, your next big client could be just a conversation away. Now, networking isn't confined to just one form. It's a vast arena with both online and offline opportunities. Online social media platforms and professional networks like LinkedIn are your playground. Engage in meaningful conversations, join relevant groups, share your insights, and don't shy away from showcasing your work. Remember, the goal is to make your presence felt and establish connections that could potentially lead to client referrals. Offline, consider attending industry events, workshops, or conferences. These are prime spots to meet industry peers, potential clients, and even mentors. Don't just exchange business cards, aim for meaningful interactions, engage in conversations, share your experiences, and show genuine interest in others. And here's a pro tip: don't just network when you need work. Make it a regular part of your professional life. It's about building relationships, not just business transactions. So, whether it's a quick chat over a coffee, an insightful online discussion, or a handshake at a conference, every interaction counts. Remember, every person you meet is a door to a new opportunity. So don't underestimate the power of a strong network. Now let's talk about the third strategy: specializing in a niche. You see, one of the most effective ways to stand out in a crowded market is to become a specialist. It's about shining bright in a specific area rather than trying to be a jack of all trades. This could be anything from specializing in content marketing for tech startups to becoming an expert in UX design for e-commerce sites, or even providing financial advising for nonprofit organizations. When you specialize, you become the go-to person in that field. You're not just another freelancer, you're the expert that clients seek out. And yes, while it may seem limiting at first, remember that each niche is a world in itself, full of potential clients who need your expertise. So delve deep, learn everything there is about your chosen niche, and tailor your services to meet the specific needs of your target clients. Being a specialist can really set you apart from the competition. Our fourth strategy is offering a free trial or discount. Now you might be thinking, why would I give away my hard-earned expertise for free? Well, it's not about giving away the farm, but more about planting a seed of trust. Offering a free trial or a discount is a great way to attract new clients. It allows them to test your services risk-free and gives them a taste of the value you can provide. But it's not just about getting them in the door. It's an opportunity to show off your skills, build a relationship, and impress them so much that they'll want to come back for more. Think of it as the appetizer before the main course. If they love the appetizer, they're more likely to order the main course and maybe even dessert. And the beauty of this strategy is that it also opens up the potential for upselling or repeat business. Remember, a little generosity can go a long way. Strategy number 5 is asking for referrals and testimonials. You might be wondering, why are these important? Well, let's break it down. Testimonials are like gold in the freelancing world. They are your proof of work, your credibility badge, and your best marketing tool, all rolled into one. They showcase your abilities and highlight your exceptional service. On the other hand, referrals are your ticket to new opportunities. Satisfied clients are your best advocates. They can spread the word about your excellent work and may even introduce you to potential clients. And the best part? You don't have to do the hard selling. Your work speaks for itself, and your clients do the rest. So, start asking. After you've delivered a project, ask your client if they would consider providing a testimonial or a referral. Remember, people are generally happy to help those who have helped them. Never be afraid to ask for a testimonial or referral. It could lead to your next big client. Our 6th strategy is following up with potential clients. Now, this is a key step in the journey to landing more clients consistently. Following up ensures you stay on the radar of potential clients and significantly increases your chances of securing a contract. It's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs that leads right back to your services. So, how do you follow up effectively without sounding like a broken record? Well, it's all about the timing and the tone. Send a friendly reminder a week or two after your initial contact. Keep it light, professional, and make sure to add value in your message. Maybe share an article related to their business or mention a recent achievement of theirs. This shows that you're not just interested in selling your services, but also in their success. Remember, the aim is to build relationships, not to push for a sale. So be patient, be persistent, and above all, be polite. Persistence can often pay off, so don't forget to follow up. Finally, our 7th strategy is constantly improving your skills. In the fast-paced world we live in, skills that were relevant yesterday may be obsolete tomorrow. Staying on top of the latest trends and continuously enhancing your abilities is crucial. This is not just about keeping up with the competition, it's about setting yourself apart. Lifelong learning is the key to staying relevant and desirable to clients. Consider this. Would you rather hire a professional who's been using the same methods for 20 years or someone who's adapting and evolving with the times? Most would choose the latter. But how do you keep learning and improving? The answer is simple. Stay curious. Seek out new knowledge and experiences. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences. Read books and articles in your field. Engage in online courses and tutorials. Even watching relevant YouTube videos can be a great way to keep your skills sharp. Also, don't shy away from new technology. Embrace it. The more tech-savvy you are, the more efficient you can be in delivering your services. Another important aspect is getting feedback. Constructive criticism can be a powerful tool for improvement. Be open to it. Use it as a stepping stone to become better at what you do. Remember, the more skilled you are, the more valuable you become to clients. Constant learning is not just a strategy, it's an investment in your future. So keep pushing, keep learning, and keep improving. Your success depends on it. So, there you have it. 7 proven strategies for landing more clients consistently. We've journeyed through building a strong online presence, the power of networking, and the advantage of specializing in a specific niche. We've explored the potential of offering a free trial or discount, the impact of asking for referrals and testimonials, and the importance of following up with potential clients. The final strategy: constantly improving your skills. Never stop learning, because in a world that's ever-changing, your ability to adapt and evolve is key. Remember, these strategies are not quick fixes, but rather they form the backbone of your long-term success as a freelancer. Now it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Start today and watch as your client list grows and your freelance business thrives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, success as a freelancer is within your reach. You've got this.